In this video, I will show you how to deploy a strategy for Tradestation and verify its backtest results between StrategyQuant and Tradestation. I'm going to use Tradestation for this example, but for multi-charts the procedure is absolutely the same. We have loaded the strategy into the retester in StrategyQuant or anywhere in the databank or algo wizard. In my case, I have the strategy loaded here in the retester in the databank results, and it is this particular strategy. Before we deploy the strategy directly into the platform, we need to import custom indicators or custom blocks that are not part of Tradestation itself. If we didn't do this, the strategy would not work. So let me prepare Tradestation first. Let's go to Tradestation and I will create a new desktop. Click on File, then a new desktop, and a new desktop will open. Now let's go to the installation directory of StrategyQuant, meaning where StrategyQuant is installed, and find Custom Indicators, Tradestation. Here I have the folder where StrategyQuant is installed. Then we can go to Custom Indicators and Tradestation. There are also blocks for multi-charts in this directory, but for Tradestation we use the ones labeled as easy language. The files with _MC are for multi-charts. So we will focus only on the easy language files. First, we import these blocks and functions. You can click on a file and open it from the folder or simply drag it into Tradestation. Go through them and accept the import of functions, indicators and strategies. Click Finish. I will overwrite everything, yes. Now we just wait. Like this, we have successfully imported all the custom indicators that are part of StrategyQuant, so let's apply the strategy directly to a chart. Let's open a new chart in the Trading App window. Click File, New, Trading App window, Chart Analysis. Now let's set the ticker. Right-click the chart, choose Format Symbol, and we will deploy the strategy on Nasdaq futures, meaning I'm going to use NQ, but you can use the lookup to find your ticker. Futures, stocks, forex, depending on what you want to backtest. I'm going to use NQ with 60-minute bars. I set the first date on January the 1st, 2020. Let's select the correct exchange time zone by choosing Exchange, and we can also verify that we are using the correct session. If the strategy uses a different session, we would need to select it here. You need to set the data exactly as the strategy was developed. I can click on Details and see the session details, and I have to make sure the strategy uses the same session. You see that we are using the regular session here. If I check the Data Manager session and look for regular, the times match. If you want to use something else, make sure to select a custom session that aligns with the settings in StrategyQuant. I'm going to use the regular session, choose it, click OK, and then OK again. Now the data is ready, so let's import the strategy into Tradestation from StrategyQuant. This is easy. We just need to copy the source code from StrategyQuant and paste it to Tradestation. Let's open a new easy language file in Tradestation. Click File, New, Trading App window, Easy Language. Click Create a new file, Strategy, give it a name such as StrategyQuant Tradestation Test, and hit OK. Now let's go to the StrategyQuant and copy the source code. The easiest way is to open the strategy results, go to Source Code, choose the easy language version for Tradestation or multi-chart, select it all, and copy it into the new strategy file in the Tradestation. Paste in there and click Verify. And of course we should see no errors. The other way is to select the strategy in the retester, click Save, Source Code, select Easy Language for Tradestation or multi-charts, save the file, then open it and copy the code from there. Again, like before, paste that into the Tradestation, verify it, and again, there should be no errors. Now we can go back to the chart in Tradestation and load the strategy. Right-click the chart, insert strategy, find the strategy you created. In our case, it's SQX test, and click OK. However, we still need to check the settings. If you use, for example, exit on Friday or exit end of the day, it is a good idea to verify these settings. So click Format Strategy and check the configuration. As you can see, in my case, exit on Friday is set to true and set to exit on Friday at 15:55, so 3:55 p.m. We can verify that this matches StrategyQuant. Go to Strategy Config, Trading Options, and see that exit on Friday, 3:55 p.m. is indeed used. Click OK. We can also verify the general properties such as commission, slippage, and maximum buyer's bag. Under Properties for all, we can see the commission, slippage, and the maximum number of bars study can reference. We recommend using a larger number depending on the longest period in the indicators. I'm going to use 200. You can also set a commission of $25 and slippage of $5 per trade, which is 1 tick for Nasdaq. You can also specify how many contracts or units to use in the backtest. When everything matches StrategyQuant, click OK. Then click Close to attach the strategy to the chart. Now open the Strategy Performance Report and see the results. You can see that exit on Friday is true, just like in StrategyQuant. We can also see that the results match. Well, and that's all for this video. If you have any questions or something wasn't clear, please write to us in the comments or directly at our email. I for one to see you in the next video and have a great rest of the day.